Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to import or download video or project from Google Drive to Filmora 11. Okay, so let's go to my computer screen. Alright, so here I already give permission to Wondershare to access my Google Drive. And to be honest, I'm a little bit nervous about this option because they can access to my Google Drive files and delete my files or stuff like that. So by the way, I just want to make a tutorial for you. Okay, so let's log out of this one and confirm and successfully log out. Okay, so here I am inside my Filmora 11. The first thing, if you have some video or footage or stuff like that on Google Drive and now you want to download it and import it to Filmora, okay, so you can do right inside the software. Okay, for example, here you can just go to the import folder import option right here and select import from other application. Now select Google Drive. Okay, and now you need to authorize Google Drive, sign in with Google. You need to sign in your Google account. Okay, I'm going to click here, sign in, and then it will redirect me to a page where I can select my Google account. So this is my Google account. Okay, just select here, and then we need to confirm the asset. Maybe they see this file service that Wondershare Filmora has some access to, including everything, access to my Google Drive, delete my file, edit my file, and also some other permission. So you have to read and check all the options, otherwise it will not work. Okay, but I already checked all the options, so now I'm going to click continue. Okay, just continue, and now continue the process in the software interface. Okay, so now we can close this one, and now it is login, and we can select the file on our Google Drive also. So I have many files here, many folder here. For example, I'm going to select this one, and we have some still image and video here, and if we check the box right here, we select everything, or we just want to select some of the footage right here, we just want to select them and click this option. And for example, I can click here to download everything. Okay, so now I can download. Just click this option, download, and it will download all the files from my Google Drive and import into the software, import to Filmora, so I can start editing the video. That's easy, right? So now it is importing right here, and then we can just close this one. This is currently task in progress. Okay, just click cancel. So I have to wait a few moments to let the program finish downloading first. Okay, there are still more video here. You see here, more video, and they are greeting process. Okay, maybe I can just cancel the process, so I just download some of them. Okay, just click here. Alright, and now I have all the video here on the timeline, and we can just drag and drop it here, play. And we can start editing our video now. By the way, we want to check where's the downloaded files. Okay, just right click at the file here and select Review in Explorer to find it on your computer. Okay, here you are. So it will be in my Wondershare Filmora, other application, Cloud Disk, Google Drive, and download. So this is in my download folder, but it is in a very long path like this. Okay, and here are all the files that I downloaded from my Google Drive to my computer from Wondershare. So that is how to download video from Google Drive to Filmora 11. Okay, so I think it is very useful if you edit your video at home or at the office and you want to upload the project or upload the video to Google Drive, and then you go to the other location and then download them and start editing. Okay, hopefully this video is helpful for you. If you have any more questions, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.